Now I'm going to explain what are shares and what are all the types of shares. First, we are going to discuss about meaning of shares. A share is the smallest unit into which the capital of the company is divided is called as shares. Simply, we can say it is a small unit of capital. So, when a company needs money to do a business expansion, it invites the public to subscribe for its shares, which is made through a document. It is called as the prospectus. Prospectus means contains all the details and relevant facts about the company that helps investor in decision making. Now, if any person is interested subscribing for shares of the company, it has to make an obligation for the desired number of shares to the company. There are two types of market for shares. That one is primary market and the second one is secondary market. Now, primary market means a market where a new issue of shares is made through the IPO. IPO means initial public offering or FPO. FPO is a further public offering. The next is market is secondary market. Secondary market is a market for already issued securities which is previously issued shares is known as a stock market or stock exchange. Then there are two types of shares. One is equity shares, another is preference shares. Equity shares is an ordinary shares of the company. They carries up preferential rights. Then preference shares will enjoy their preferential rights in terms of dividend payment and payment at the liquidation of the company. Next, their features are equity shares. Pre- Equity shares do not have the preferential rights, as in the case of preference shares, they are a residential owner of the company. They receive what is left with the company. They will have an voting rights at the general meeting of the company. Then their dividend will not be fixed by them. Then next is they will be participated in the management and they will also have the trade in the stock market that they is listed in the stock exchange and traded between the buyer and the seller. The next preference share features are they will have the preferential rights, then they will not have the voting rights, the dividend will not be fixed by them, dividend will be fixed by them, then they will not be participated in the management and they cannot be definitely they cannot be participated in the management of the company. Lastly, they are traded in the stock market. They buy directly from the company and sold it directly. The last one is trade in stock market. They cannot be traded in the stock market. Next, there are eight types of preference shares. First one is cumulative preferences, second non-cumulative preferences, then participating preferences, non-participating preferences, redeemable preferences, non-redeemable preferences, convertible preferences and non-convertible preferences. First one is cumulative preferences. Cumulative preferences in which the dividend accumulated year on year if it is not paid for particular year in cumulative preferences. The next one is non-cumulative preferences. Non-cumulative preferences are the preferences in which the dividend do not accumulated in it since dividend is not paid for the particular year. Terms for its payment expires. The next one is participating preferences. Participating preferences means which enjoy the rights to participating in the surplus profit after the dividend is paid to the shareholders and then rate is specified by the board of director. The next one is non participating preferences. Non-participating preferences means they will not get as such additional rights as to the profit at the time of the winding up of the company. The next, redeemable preferences, which is issued on the condition deemed after the specific term. Non-redeem means they will not be redeemed by the company. Next, convertible, which can be convertible into an equity shares. Then non-convertible means it cannot be convertible into any shares. These are all the types. Thank you for watching this video.